Hello, I'm Rosella from Stitching in the Moment and welcome to Quick Stitches. Today's quick stitch is sheaf stitch. This is the sheaf stitch. So we're going to begin by creating 3 lines with a small gap in between each one. I'm going to exaggerate this gap ever so slightly just to make it a little easier to show you what I'm doing. And then we're going to come up in the centre and bring the needle to the side, taking care not to catch any of those threads. And we're going to then wrap the thread around, so just put the thread underneath all of those 3 stitches and then do that again. And then finally anchor down back under the centre again. And there we go, and I think that's a really pretty little stitch.
If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe.